Hello there. Let's talk about unique tokens. Some call them non-fungible tokens or NFT. Popular blockchain games like CryptoKitties make use of non-fungible tokens. In this video I will show how simple it is to program a unique token using BlockTalk for Burst. Download the BlockTalk project from GitHub. Open the project on VS Code. Open the source folder and then sample. You will find the unique token sample. In this sample we have a unique token smart contract. Essentially, this contract has an owner. Only the owner can control the contract. Further, this contract also includes a built-in decentralized exchange to sell the token. This is taken care by these additional variables. When a token is created, the constructor method is called, and the creator is the owner. The current owner can transfer the ownership. This conditional assures that only the owner is able to transfer the token. Let's test this contract on the emulator. Here we have some code to test the contract programmatically. Let's comment out these lines and make our test manually. Click on Debug to start the emulator. First, let's airdrop some coins for a creator and some friends. Now, let's create two tokens with our unique token smart contract. The activation fee will be 1 burst. Let's add a breakpoint on the transfer function to see how it works. Forge block to confirm. We can see that the owner variable is initialized with the creator address. Let's transfer token 1 to friend 1. Click Send to add the operation. It will be pending until the next block is forged. Click Forge block to confirm. Our breakpoint will halt the execution. We can check variable values and step over the code. We can see the ownership of token 1 was transferred. If the creator tries to transfer again token 1 to another friend, it won't work. The condition will not be satisfied, and ownership will not be transferred. Now, if the creator send a message to transfer token 2, it will work as expected. As we can see, token 2 was transferred to friend 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.
BlockTalk, easy to use smart contracts for Burst.